Now you are watching screen off during video play of status. So when you start play the status or video, so shortly this will go blank or black. Now if I touch the screen, so once again the video will be play from the same point where it was stopped. So you can fix this error by two methods. First go to setting, and in setting go down and click display. Now once again scroll down and click screen timeout. Now preferably I like to keep it on 30 seconds, but if you keep it on 1 minute, so this problem could be fixed. However, this is not a solution of the problem on merit. Let's go for method 2, which is on merit. So click settings, and in settings go down till you find app or apps. Click apps and go till almost the end. You will see WhatsApp. Open it and once again scroll down to storage. Now click on it and clear cache. When you clear the cache, this problem would be solved and your mobile will not go blank or black screen during video play. It's the best and on merit solution of this problem. Hope you would have liked. Thanks for watching.